faucets that run this thing. Just to give you an idea of how dirty it is. Look at the fucking wheels have spider webs in them, dude. That's how long it's been since I've driven this shit. Ugh. So clearly I have to set the car on fire. Spider webs. I need to wash this thing. Bad. Coolant right there, leaking from the radiator, dripping onto the floor. Slow leak. No obvious places of where the leak is. This is my door that I had to bash up. Get up in here all Dukes of Hazzard style. Really embarrassing. Oh. Yeah, so here's my door panel that I had to rip to get off. And yeah, you see all the rods are working okay. The main purpose of bringing the camera out here was to get a picture of the door latch from inside. Not working. That's just the lock mechanism. This is the door mechanism. As you can see, there's a hook. Maybe you can't see. This is what they call reverse engineering, where you try to replicate how something works to figure out why it's not working. So this guy right here is supposed to open the latch. Let's see what's happening. So I'm not sure what the fuck is going on in there. I really have no idea what was done, but I'm assuming this probably is the culprit. Is this rubber guard for the door handle started to rot away, and looks like it was wedged in the thing. The fucking latch kept the goddamn door shut, and I guess just enough prying at the fucking thing, it finally just died. This is fucking stupid. I had to ruin a fucking door panel for this.